Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming eligibility and securing the account. This prevents abrupt lockdowns. Once done, enable two-step verification and verify your phone so YouTube trusts your channel. Next, open Creator Studio and copy the stream key. You need it in your encoder. Now launch OBS or your chosen encoder, add a scene with camera and audio sources, and set canvas to 16:9. Make these first actions methodical, so your live has a stable base before you go live. Once your encoder is open, configure output resolution and bitrate to match your upload speed. Use 1280 x 720 at 2, 500 kbps for most viewers, or 1920 x 1080 if bandwidth allows. Then select latency, low for chat interaction, normal for stability, because it affects viewer experience. Add overlays, scene transitions, and set microphone gain. Test a local recording to check sync and levels. Make sure to bind the stream key in OBS and start a private preview on YouTube to confirm audio, video, and branding appear correctly before public launch. You're ready to go live. Fill title, description, tags, category, and choose a thumbnail. Schedule if you want pre-promotion. Start the stream in OBS and click Go Live in YouTube Studio. Monitor stream health, viewer chat, and real-time analytics so you can react. If audio glitch or dropped frames appear, first check your stream key and bitrate consistency, then inspect firewall and network congestion. If needed, switch to a backup encoder or lower bitrate temporarily. Keep one troubleshooting tip handy. Always have a backup scene or encoder ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.